Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making some easy breezy smothered chicken on a Friday. It's Friday, y'all, and I just wanted something easy and simple to make, so why not make this chicken recipe? And then we're going to sop it all up with this crisp, sweet plantain that I fried up to go alongside my chicken. So let's get started. Alright, you guys, so these are some of the ingredients. I have a bowl with onions, peppers, and garlic. That's my flour. You'll need a little salt, butter, my spicy girl right here. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. This is a super easy smothered chicken recipe. I've made them before on my channel, but hey, I'm making it again today. And this is my chicken, nice and washed up and ready to go. Over here is some fresh thyme. And I think that's pretty much it. Oh, I told you guys my butter, which is right there. So let's get into the recipe. I'm also going to fry up some sweet plantains because it's Friday. It's an easy day. I ain't got time to be worried about making nothing else but some chicken and some plantains, okay? So you want to season the chicken up with spicy girl. Y'all should have my spice. If you ain't got it, you losing out. Link will be in the description box. Thanks everyone for your support so far. Okay, so now we're just going to sear the chicken off. You don't have to be, strategic. Just put it down in your pot. I didn't even marinate the chicken for more than 15 minutes is how long it marinated for. It's not going to matter because of how delicious the gravy is going to be. And yeah, so I fit all of my chicken fit in the pot. If you don't have a big enough pot, just do it in 2 batches. But you really want to get a nice color on there. So yeah. So this is what the chicken look like. You're looking for something like this. Something deep and, golden just like this. The chicken does not need to be cooked. You just want color. That's it. We're looking for color, not for it to be cooked. So after I seared my chicken, this is what I end up with. This is fond. This is not burnt, it's fond. Fond as in what's going to make your gravy delicious and give it a lot of color. You want to add your garlic, peppers, and onions to the pot with your butter. That was 2 tablespoons of butter. And you want to mix that up best way you can. And this is what you end up with after about 5 minutes or so. And you're just going to cook it down, get it nice and tender. All of this is going on the number 6 on my stove. You want to keep a pretty moderate heat here. Next, you're going to add your flour, of course, and you want to cook out your flour for about 2 minutes. Not that long, 2 minutes, cook it out just to get that raw flour taste out. As you can see, I'm pointing to show you guys the fond in the pot. So next, you want to add your chicken stock. And once you add your chicken stock, you want to really mix with a spatula, y'all. Don't be using metal on y'all pots, Lord child. Use a spatula and you want to mix it. You see the magic in front of your eyes. Look how beautiful my gravy got. This is not from the chicken stock. This is from the fond or the burnt, whatever you want to call it, on the bottom of the pan. And it gave the gravy a beautiful color, just like this. Next, you want to just add your chicken down in here, just like this. And once I get the chicken in, I'm going to add the thyme, cover it, and let it cook. Alright, you guys, so this is what my chicken looks like after about 15 minutes. Make sure you check on your chicken, every 15 to 20 minutes to make sure it's okay. And this is what it looks like after about 30 more minutes. As you can see, the chicken is so tender, it's like falling apart and delicious. Add some scallions for an extra pop of color and flavor. And that's pretty much it. These are my plantains. I'm shallow frying them. You want a deep, nice golden brown with a little crisp around the edges. Yeah, y'all, because I love some plantains. But they're out of season, so I get the packaged ones. And they're just as good. So, yep. Just make it easy on yourself. So again, if you don't like your gravy super thick, you can stop at this point right here. But I like my gravy thick and silky like this right here. Y'all, look at this chicken. Oh, my mouth is watering. Low maintenance, easy to make, few ingredients. You can't mess this up. There's no way you can mess this recipe up. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. I hope you give this chicken recipe a try. It was so easy and perfect for any night of the week. As you can see from the video, today's Friday, so y'all, I just need something quick and ready to go. And these are my beautiful, beautiful plantains. Look how golden and beautiful they are. Whew, like I said, y'all, the package is just as good as the fresh. Period. I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye.